This is week 24 of learning new homesteading skills. And today we are making lemon squash, also known as lemon cordial or lemon syrup. So firstly, we're going to grab ourselves 5 lemons and give them a good wash. And grab out a zester and a juicer. Next, we're going to zest all 5 of those lemons. And realize quite quickly how much we hate zesting, which is then amplified by the fact that we cut ourselves. But because we're a warrior, we're going to go and get ourselves an Elsa Band-Aid and soldier on. And keep zesting these never-ending lemons. And because the universe doesn't want our inner child to be happy, our Band-Aid is going to lose its sticky. And we're going to have to switch out to an adult one. Once we've spent 300 hours zesting lemons, we're going to gather up our zest, slice up all of our lemons, and squeeze the life out of all of them. And we're going to ensure that we overfill our juicer. Once we have the juice and zest from our 5 lemons, we're going to grab ourselves a large bowl and add to it 440 grams or 2 cups of sugar, as well as our zest and our juice. And then we're going to grab out our spatchy spatch and give it a stir. Then we're going to chuck the kettle on. Once our water's boiling, we're going to measure out 500 ml or 1 pint of that water. And then we're going to realize that we accidentally measured out 1 litre. So we're going to get rid of half that water. Once we have the correct amount of water, we're going to add that to our lemon mixture and stir it until all of the sugar is dissolved. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of tartaric acid and stir it in. And then we're going to leave it alone for 2 to 3 hours. Once we've successfully doom scrolled for 2 hours instead of being productive, our mixture should be ready. Next, we're going to turn our oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit and throw in our clean cordial bottle. While that's preheating, we're going to grab out a Dutch oven, chuck in a sieve and some cheesecloth, and then pour our lemon mixture in. And then wait 62 hours for it to fully drain, until we get extremely impatient and squeeze it out with our hands. Then we're going to turn our stove on and bring our mixture to a boil. Give it a stir, and then remember that things boil faster with lids on. Once our mixture's boiling, it's ready, and we're going to realize that our bottle isn't. So we're going to turn that down to a simmer and get our bottle ready. Once our oven has reached 160 degrees, we need to let our bottle sit in that for 15 minutes to sterilize. Once those 15 minutes are up, we're going to place down a thick tea towel and grab out our bottle using an oven mitt and place it on the tea towel because it will be very hot. Next, we're going to grab out our also very hot lemon cordial and somewhat carefully pour that into a jug with a spout, ensuring to spill at least a little bit. And then, because we're bad at preparation, we're going to dig around to try and find a funnel. Once we have said funnel, we're going to place that in our bottle and pour in our cordial, realizing that we definitely overestimated the size of the bottle needed. And then we are going to very carefully place our lid on without burning ourselves and let it seal and cool completely. This should last sealed for up to a year, or 4 weeks opened in the refrigerator. This drink can be enjoyed by diluting. I like to add ice, cordial, soda water, a lemon slice, and mint. And there we go, we've successfully made lemon cordial /squash/syrup. What should we make next?